Hi, my name is Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new and here from the playlist, hello and welcome. I hope I can give you some dinner ideas and dinner motivation to cook for your family. I'm really excited to be participating in this open collab hosted by Claire over at Easily Influenced Mama. I will have her channel and the playlist linked in my description box below. Be sure to check her out after you watch my video. I have 3 delicious crockpot recipes for you today, starting out with my version of like a beef stroganoff / Swedish meatball. And what you'll need is a package of frozen meatballs, a can of mushroom gravy, a can of cream of mushroom soup, and a big package of mushrooms. I love a dump and go crockpot meal, and this is one of them. You're going to get your meatballs and the 2 soups into your slow cooker, put it on low and cook it for about 3 hours. And then I am going to also make some delicious sauteed mushrooms with a little bit of butter, garlic, thyme, and a splash of white wine, and this really sends it over the top. I am going to cook up a bunch of egg noodles, and this was a hearty, delicious, and budget-friendly dinner that I think that your family will definitely enjoy. The next meal I have for you is Lazy Man's chicken pot pie stoup. I say stoup because it's thicker than a soup but thinner than a stew, and you will need some chicken, cream of mushroom soup, a bag of mixed vegetables, and some puff pastry. I'm going to season up my cream of chicken soup with a little bit of granulated garlic and ranch seasoning mix. And then I remembered I had some frozen onions in my freezer that I wanted to use up, so I'm going to use those as well. I'm going to pour it over my chicken and then add the onions, cook it on low for about 6 hours because my chicken is still kind of frozen, but that's okay, especially for a crock pot meal. And I love it that I can set it and forget it. And then once my chicken is 165, I'm going to remove it and shred it, and then add a bag of the frozen mixed vegetables. And then alongside it, I am making some puff pastry. If you've never had puff pastry before, it's delicious. It's flaky, golden brown, and my picky kids really love it. This was a hearty and comforting meal that I think that you guys will really, really like. My last recipe is a dessert, and it's a strawberry shortcake in my slow cooker. I am taking about 2½ cups of strawberries, and I'm going to macerate them with some granulated sugar. I will put it in my refrigerator for about 3 hours, and then I'm taking some help from the store and using a packaged cake mix. I will make that according to package direction. I also have a little sous chef helping me. Both my kids are really picky, and they have some sensory issues and food aversions, so I find when I get them in the kitchen and they're willing to help me, they're much more willing to try the finished product. You see my naughty cat, Trudy Campbell, right here. She is our fruit bat. She likes anything from strawberries to kiwis to oranges, but her favorite are bananas. I digress. Anyways, I'm adding a little bit of this vanilla extract to give the cake mix a little bit more flavor, and then I will spray down my slow cooker with avocado oil, add my cake mix, and then my strawberries on top, and then I cook it on high for about 2 hours until the middle comes out clean with a toothpick. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I want to say thank you to Claire for hosting. I love this community on YouTube. I've had so much inspiration and so many dinner ideas and so many new recipes I've implemented into our family, and I just love it so much. And I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching.